it's Nikki and welcome to my booty burn workout. So, got a couple of exercises today. So all you need is yourself and the sandbag. We'll be doing a kneeling booty curl. We'll be doing a sandbag curtsy and a sandbag booty squat. And also adding in a little bit of a boxer skip as well. And we'll be going for 3 rounds. So welcome to Nikki's booty burn workout. Okay, let's get down now into our booty curls. We're doing the right hand side first and we're going to do 20 reps. Good job. Okay, now grab your sandbags and let's get them back there. All right, we're going to do our curtsies now on the right hand side. We're doing 10 reps. Whoopie-doo. Okay, now we're going to go into the squats. So I've got some weights there on the ground and we're going to do 8 reps. So we're going to get down there and let's go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Okay, now back down on the mat or your floor and we're doing the left hand side curls, booty curls. Oh my goodness, 20 reps. Okay, now we're doing the left hand side curtsy. All right. Tell you what, you're using your glutes and your hammies there. I'm glad you're laughing, Cole. Okay, one more. Boy, that was hard. Okay, back over into your booty squat. So get down there and let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Okay, now pop it down and let's go into a boxer skip. 4, 5, 6. We're doing 20 skips. Beautiful. Okay, I'm back over to my little plates and I'm going to do 5 reps and it's going to be a really slow squat. Okay, so I'm going to go 8 seconds down. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and hold. 4, 3, 2, 1 and up for 2 and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold for 4, 3, 2, 1, and up for 2, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Screaming, okay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 4, 3, 2, 1, and up for 2. One more, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 4, 3, 2, 1, and up for 2. Okay, that was round 1. And we've got 2 more rounds to go. So I'm going to get stuck straight into it. Oh, yay! Okay, that was 3 rounds. That was really, really tough. So, remember, this is Nikki's booty burn. And I tell you what, your booty will be burning, and so will a lot of other things. So we did the kneeling booty curls, we did the curtsies, we did the squats, a few exercises. Now, you need to go, if you're not sure how to do the exercises, go to the tutorial. We'll be doing a tutorial with Cot to show you all the different exercises, how to do them properly. All you need is yourself and a sandbag, and roughly about 16 minutes or whatever it was that it took to do the 3 rounds, and you get a really, really great workout, and it works your nice, round, firm booty, which everybody wants. Like our videos, subscribe, share it with your friends. It's a really, really great workout. So if you want a booty like mine, you need to do the workout.